We're at the cottage in Gaylord, Michigan. It's beautiful up here. The colors aren't quite what I was hoping for. You can see they're green. Pretty much the same as at home. We got the U-Haul truck. Trailer, just a trailer, emptied and returned. And I thought that was a good deal and something we may do again if we need to.
Yep. Got
our Layaloo, and I got my coffee. It's the morning, and we're gonna just do a little tour around here.
Go for a little golf cart ride.
All right, we're down at the lake. You can see the colors are just slightly starting to turn, eh? So we're on the 45th parallel.
Yep.
In Gaylord, Michigan, in the USA, and we are about. There'd be better colors, I guess, up north. A little more north than us, but even a 40-minute drive, and you're at, say, less than an hour to Mackinac?
Yeah, I think it's about 50 miles to Mackinac.
Yeah, and I hear their colors have turned up there a little bit more, but it is beautiful.
Across the Mackinac Bridge to the Upper Peninsula.
Yeah, still beautiful here right now. So here we are up at the pool, and we got a new pickleball court. And our kids have been playing pickleball because it's even got the pickleball stuff in the back of the golf cart. We could play pickleball, Brad.
Yeah.
We don't have time for that.
No. Gardening.
There we go, Anita's Park. There's a tree that's turned. And look at, somebody's got a scarab. See that? We should hit some trails.
Yeah, all right.
See these trees all slouched over? This is all from this is from the ice storm. The birch especially all bent. There's the wood chip pile from the storm cleanup. And there.
Pretty neat.
Yeah, it is.
There he goes. He's dumping a big one on there. We're going to grind it through there, and then it goes in perfect setup for guess they would be selling it. Lots of people through there, grinding it all up, and in it goes.
Cool. We're going to continue on the trail. So they do some logging here in the neighborhood, and they were doing some logging back there, and then the storm came and it turned into a storm cleanup, I think. But these are the trails that are in the neighborhood. There's quite a network of these trails, and this is what drew us to this neighborhood.
Riding our dirt bikes, and we got a side-by-side now, but I got to get it running.
Yeah, it's the more stuff we have, the more stuff to maintain and take care of. Well, this golf cart, though, we were just trying to figure out how long we've had this golf cart, like 10 to 12 years.
Yeah.
And it needs some work too, but it's been hitting these trails pretty hard for the 10, 12 years. Kids would load up people on here.
5 or 6. I've had to put new springs in the back because they were smashed. They ran it into a tree. I had to weld the steering back together. It's had a rough life, but it's still going.
It's still taking us for some rides. And there's nothing I like better than putting through the trails here. I just love this. Look at how beautiful it is. The ferns have all changed color. They are just beautiful right now. I have some of these at the cottage, but in the garden, and they're a bit of a thug in my garden. I think I'm going to change, but look at how beautiful they are here. Leia's getting used to riding with us here, isn't she?
Doing good. She likes it out here.
Today we are going to make a garden shelf.
Yep.
Up here at the cottage.
A little station, actually.
Yeah, we're trying to get organized here.
4 foot wide countertop here at countertop height. We'll keep away from the electrical panel, and I'll build it up 2 feet deep, kind of like these ones back here. I better turn the light on. And not much light, but anyway, we make them deep enough so we can put the bins and stuff on it too. But Julie will have a spot underneath here for working away, and then a couple shelves up higher, and then storage, hanging stuff on the sides.
This is where the fairies are going to live for the winter.
Oh boy.
Gotta make it pretty.
There you go. Here's
Okay.
your garden shelf.
Okay, I love it. And I think I can do a lot with it.
Yeah,
Won't be
got it.
this trip, but
You got a plug in there, extra little thing, a little
Yeah.
workbench more or less, and then a bunch of storage.
yeah, I'll be able to put my fairy stuff on there and my plant food, the power for get batteries for weed whacker and
Yep. I
stuff.
made it,
And on the
I left it at 3/4 inch off the floor, so if we get wet, it won't rot.
yeah, okay. And I can put some soil and stuff down there. Okay, I'm excited. Thank you. Okay, we got a little work done. We're gonna go for a ride, and Brad's got the side-by-side running. So where are you gonna take
Finally.
me? Where are you gonna take
I
me?
don't
We're
know.
gonna go have a bite to eat somewhere?
Go to settings, or there's Hideaway, there's Dingman's, wherever you want to go.
Okay, it's a gorgeous day. Let's do it. Okay, nice ride to the Hideaway.
Gorgeous, beautiful outside. We're come back in to have some food.
Yeah, we had a drink out on the deck and watched the little squirrels.
Yeah.
That was fun.
What a spot.
Yeah, let's get home and do some more work.
Oh boy.
There we go.
Here we are, coming home.
Okay, let's go see what Leia's doing. Oh, I hear her.
Oh yeah.
She's got to howl with us when we get home. There she is!
What? That's our girl.
Okay, that was a lot of fun.
It was awesome.
Yeah, for us, I'm speaking for both of us. I'm assuming you're the same. Relax
shit.
yeah, we need something crazy to relax. I put us in a chair by a beach and our minds are thinking about everything that we have to do and all that stuff. So anytime that we need to relax, we need something a little bit more aggressive.
I was very frustrated because I couldn't get this thing running, and now it turns out fuel pump wasn't it. It was a relay, and I messed around with all kinds of things.
Yeah,
and
it's running great.
here it is.
That was running great. It needed to get
and it definitely needed
blow
to
out
get
the
blown
carburetor.
out because I really haven't. I don't think we rode it at all last year. So
no,
it's,
maybe not. No,
Yeah,
so we
it was
got to
fun
do.
to get out for a little bit.
Yeah, we got to get so we're doing more of this in our lives. Yeah. All right, but this is what's going to make
Back
us
to fixing
ready to
other
get
stuff.
back to home to finish our home project, which we've got a lot to do when we get home, and I'm ready for it. Are you?
Sure.
Sure.